Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix no network problem on oppo A17 or A17k and also any Android phone that you have, especially the oppo. So to fix no network problem, you can try to unplug your SIM card or your carrier and try to replug in. So if this doesn't work, maybe there is some maintenance or there is no network coverage on from your carrier. Try to restart your phone, and then if you there is another way. You can try to tap on your SIM card, tap on your carrier, and then try to search your SIM card access point names, or you can try to create new APN. You can search on the internet how you can create the new APN for your carrier. And also you can try to reset your network settings. You can go to the settings, try to search reset. Here, resort network settings, reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings here. If you have it to try, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.